Hey friends, today I have with me the birthday girl. This is Story the cat, who you may remember from when she was a tiny kitten, and now she's a year old. Right, Story? Because it's Story's birthday, she doesn't like her hat. She doesn't like to wear it, put it that way. But she has some goodie bags to share with you folks. I don't think she's going to hang around and party with us right now, but I want to show you about something new that we're starting in honor of Story's birthday, which is the Storybook Birthday Club. So if you fill out a form, which looks like this, you may have gotten one at school, or you can come into the library and get one. It's really easy to fill out. Just tell us your name, birth date, and where you might get mail at your house, your mailing address, so that when your birthday's coming up, Story the cat will be sending you a card and a coupon so you can come in and pick out a free book for you to keep. So it's not one of our usual books that you borrow and have to bring back. It's just for you, for always. And when you sign up for the club, you'll get one of these Storybook goodie bags. Let's see what Story has put in these. She put just some fun stuff for you to have some activities. Look, you get a button just like the one I'm wearing that says Storybook Birthday Club. So you can show all your friends that you're a member. You might want to wear a birthday hat in honor of Story's birthday. You could put some stickers on there to decorate it if you want, or use markers, paint, whatever you have around the house. If you're really feeling festive, you might blow up a balloon. There's also some nice printouts here with all different cat-themed things. Here's one with Story the cat and her friend Spike the tortoise, who lives over at the Curry Public Library. So these are some library pets you might color in. These coloring sheets here and different activities that have to do with cats. You can even learn how to draw a cat. Lastly, there's a thing where you can make, do you remember around the holidays, and we made our own shelf elf with using pipe cleaners? This time you can make your own Story the cat, or you can name her whatever you like. I'm just going to show you briefly how that works. So you start with one of the pipe cleaners, any one you want, and make a tiny loop around your finger like that. Wrap it around, and what you have already is Story's head, or your kitty's head, and a leg. This bend over here is going to make the other leg. You can make it pretty much any size you want. You don't want to make it too big because you won't have enough pipe cleaner to go around. So now I've got two legs and a head. I've got the back. I'm going to tilt it over there because what has Story got? She's got a long tail. Comes up and back down again. I'll just pinch it together so those pipe cleaners stay. And we've got another leg for Story. So now we only have 3 out of 4 legs. Looks like we're going to need to add another pipe cleaner. And when you want to add one, all you have to do is wrap it around tight. Is Story playing here? She wants to be in on the action after all. I'm making my 4th leg, and I'm going to just wrap it round and round so my kitty cat stays together. And the more pipe cleaners I add and wrap around and around and around, the chubbier my cat is going to be. And you may notice that Story the cat is no longer tiny. She's rather big. Got a rather big belly. And you can make your kitty any shape you want, because kitties, like people, come in all different sizes and shapes. She wants to help. So we're going to wrap it around and around, and then we'll add some more pipe cleaners and keep wrapping until we run out. Once we've got the whole body done, which I don't really, but you get the idea, is you're going to find something that was also in your bag, probably inside the hat, a little felt head that you can glue onto here. We don't have any glue in the packet because remember before we gave you some little pots of glue and we also gave you crayons and things like that. We do have a pencil in here. Can you see what's on that? It's got animal paws, kind of like these paws over here on this kitty cat. But you can ask mom or dad or big brother or sister to help you with the gluing if you need to. If you don't have any glue at your house, next time you're in the library, ask us and we'll give you another little pot of glue to use. You can glue that on, and of course, any little pipe cleaner critter is going to want to have Google eyes. We've got them. And you'll have your very own kitty who might go around having adventures, kind of like this kitty likes to have. So I hope you come and join us and be part of the Storybook Birthday Club. Celebrate Story's birthday and your birthday too. Okay, see you soon at Port Orford Public Library. Bye now.